guys, so in today's video I am going through my April BOXYCHARM. Everything I'm wearing on today is from my BOXYCHARM. So I am so excited about this one because I had the most fun creating this festival looking eye look. The theme of this month's BOXYCHARM is Peace, Love, and Boxy. If you are new to BOXYCHARM, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription for $22 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products for the price of no lower than $100. This month's BOXYCHARM comes to a value of $129. That is just crazy to me because I only paid $22 for this. So you save a lot of money, and I got some amazing products in this BOXYCHARM. So if you want to stay and see how I got this look and what I got in my BOXYCHARM, let's get started. So I already did my foundation by using the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix foundation, and then I used my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown to do my eyebrows. So here's the first item that we have here. We have the Per Festival eye palette, and it comes with 12 eyeshadows. Oh, and it does come with an eyeshadow primer. It's called Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So we'll use that before I put on my eyeshadow. I definitely need to let that sit before I put on the eyeshadow. All right, so it feels dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Per Festival eyeshadow palette. And it comes with 2 extremely glittery shades right here on the end, and then you've got a really pretty pink matte, and then 3 warm brown mattes. This is a shimmery pinky rose color, and then you've got 4 shimmery shades on the top. So this is a beautiful palette. I'm really excited to use this. I haven't used this before. I've never used anything from Per Cosmetics, so I'm really excited to try this out. This eye palette retails for $36. I am going to be applying this eyeshadow by using the second item in my boxy, and that is a brush set that comes from Luxie. I don't own any Luxie brushes, so I was so excited when I got this in my boxy. I've heard so many good things, and Luxie is a pretty affordable brand. So this 3-piece set from Luxie retails for $28. This would be really great for highlight, I think. But I'm going to use this a little bit later. But these 2 pencils, I'm going to go ahead and use these in my eye look today. I'm going to try and stick to just these 2 eye pencils. So let's go ahead and jump into the eye palette. Oh, let me tell you about these. This is the Luxie 209 Large Shader, and then this is the Luxie 245 Small Shader. So I love this look that I got with the eyeshadows. I kind of went for a festival type of look. So these shadows are so good. Like, I really, really like this pink shade. It blends out so well. I love the diffused pink. And then this purple called Gypsy is beautiful. I love it on the lower lash line. Love these brushes. I had to go in with my Jaclyn Hill to get the lower lash line because this eye brush didn't work very well on my lower lash line. So yeah, that's the negative thing I have to say about this brush. But this brush is amazing. Like, I can get that really cool eye shape really easily with this, and it blended out my eyeshadow blended out my eyeshadow really nice. So I really like this brush. Yeah, I'm glad I finally got to try out Luxie because I've never tried them before, and I really, really like this brush. So my next item in the BOXYCHARM is this eyeliner. This is called the Beauty For Real Finished Liquid Liner. And this retails for $16. And I've never heard of this brand, Beauty For Real. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? Oh, wow. This reminds me of the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Yeah, I feel like this turned out really nice. I don't feel like it's as pigmented as my Kat Von D tattoo liner because I definitely had to go over it a couple times, but I really, really like this. The tip is pretty fine. It's not as fine as the Kat Von D tattoo liner, but this is a really great eyeliner. I really like this. Next, I'm gonna go in with my BFF Colourpop mascara and do my eyelashes really quick, and I will be right back. I'm gonna go in with an Urban Decay eye pencil. This is the Voodoo. It's like a purple, shimmery purple. I think it'll match really well with the eyeshadow on the bottom line. Those two colors were meant for each other. Before I get into the last two items in my Boxy, I'm going to go ahead and put my blush and bronzer on. I'm going to use my Too Faced Natural Face palette to get a really pretty bronzed look. So we have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is in the shade Summer Haze. I don't own anything from Artist Couture, so I'm just taking this little twisty thing off. And that is what the powder looks like. All right, so I'm taking that Luxie brush. This is the 512 Small Contouring. I'm going to use it as a highlighting brush. Oh, that is beautiful. I was a little bit worried that this color was going to be too dark, but it's not. I think I'm going to use a different brush to apply this because this is applying it in a way that I don't really like. So I'm actually going to use this brush from Moda. I got this in my BOXYCHARM last month, but it's so light that I feel like it would be really good at applying this powder. So oh yeah. Oh, this brush is perfect. There were a couple of you who were saying that this brush wasn't really good in the last BOXYCHARM. This is great for applying this Artist Couture powder highlight. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this. The sparkle is so fine. Wow, I really, really like this. The Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder retails for $27. So, oh, it's so pretty. I love the soft glow I can get, but it really can get intense. So, I tried using this brush from the Luxie. It applied it too intensely, so I went for a more natural application, and I used my Moda brush that I got in my last month's BOXYCHARM to apply this highlight, and it works so well because it's kind of flimsy and it doesn't grab onto a lot of products, so it just swipes onto your cheek so well and so effortless. It's beautiful. I love it. All right, so the last item in our Boxy is this Steve Laurent lip gloss. This is priced at $22. This is supposed to be a beautiful formula, so, ooh. It has like little gold shimmers throughout it. Oh, this looks so pretty. It's supposed to be nourishing too, so. Ooh, it almost smells coconut-y. This is a beautiful nude lip gloss. It feels really smooth. And it smells really good. Really like this. All right, so that is everything in my BOXYCHARM. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing the BOXYCHARM unboxing for you guys. Everything that I got, the eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. I'm going to be using this so much, especially in the summertime. The brushes I liked as well. I just need to find the right purpose for them. This brush in particular I love for applying eyeshadow. Like this pink went on beautifully with this eye brush, so really like them. I need to figure out better uses for these two brushes, but I like them. Like I don't hate them or anything. This powder is beautiful. I'm going to be using this so much in the summertime with just a little bit of light foundation and this just dusted everywhere. It's going to be beautiful in the summertime. And then this lip gloss is just beautiful. It's everyday. Like, I love this. And the packaging, I've never tried anything from Steve Laurant, so I'm really excited to use all of this in the future. And then this eyeliner, I liked it. It didn't apply as beautifully as my Kat Von D tattoo liner, but I still like this. I can get a pigmented cat eye with this. I just have to build it up. But I do really like everything that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.